best picks up. Oh, uses so he used international agreement for something. We're gonna have to check what later. Builds an arena, upgrades a farm, plays reserves, increases pop, gets evolutionary idea, and develops cannon, which he proceeds to build. Okay, he's in a good spot. Octavian develops strategy. Oh, so he did end up using the strategy. Increases pop, builds knights, and 2 stages of the Louvre. And then disbands the rifleman to build another knight. And adopts classic army, putting him ahead on the military. Here's Marlene Dietrich. Um, so let's see. So Bass took air forces and reserves, but he did not research the air forces. He needs one more turn for them. And we are going to offer international tourism to Octavian. Yeah. And see what he says. Octavian accepted the international tourism, which is good. Puts us a very nice spot with regards to points. So let's just keep on the track of not dying, and I think we should be fine. Do we want Marlene Dietrich? Let's see. We're actually gonna lose points for electing her. We don't need the happy faces, and we're pretty far away from the military bonus. And I don't think there's any competition for her, so if we don't take her now, there is a good chance we'll get her for one. And if we don't, Charlie Chaplin is here. Maybe even Marie Curie is here. So I think we can wait. How is each of your theaters produces an extra point? Okay, because I was wondering how I'm losing 2 points, but that's because Bach gives us 2 points. So we don't have the military theory we need. Hollywood gives us 12 points. I guess we might get one more theater here. So Hollywood will give us 18 points. I don't know if that's enough right now. I don't know if it's enough right now. Is it too late for oil? I mean, it's gonna make Marie Curie slightly better. And I don't think that, given the action count and Harvard College, I don't think resources are gonna be the problem. Okay, let's upgrade this. Nothing gives us food. Oof. So I guess one thing we could do is get the oil upgraded and then disband the mine, which gives us a meeple. And I don't know, we can put this meeple on something. I don't know if that's the right way to get a meeple right now. We haven't seen any mechanized agriculture, right? What is everyone else doing their food? He has selective breeding. Oh, they both have selective breeding. So we might need to wait for mechanized agriculture to solve our food situation. I mean, push comes to I don't think anyone can declare war on us right now, because we can dismantle a lab and a drama and build 2 air forces, and that's gonna give us 12, 24 strength. I'm really conflicted about what to do with this turn. I don't see any good options right now. I could grab a bunch of yellows, but I don't really need them. I could take Hollywood, but I don't know if I'm gonna get a third drama. I guess we can stick to 8 science and do this. And these are the most dramas we're gonna get, right? Yeah. And then Hollywood is gonna be 18 points, which is decent, but not phenomenal. And yeah, I know this is becoming a very boring video, but I am honestly stumped on what to do with this turn. Hmm. There's no blue technology right now that we want. Like literally any blue technology we would pick up right now. I mean, this gives us some points. Reasonable chance we're going to need to dismantle these sooner rather than later. I mean, eventually Bass is gonna get modern infantry and upgrade and get. He doesn't have that many military actions either, you know. We don't have the mechanized agriculture here. This card draw doesn't have anything we need. Okay, let's take some yellows. Sure, this is the reasonable one. I guess engineering genius. Are we gonna get Hollywood? These go away, these go away, these go away. Probably not. If you want Hollywood, you need to pick it up now. Hollywood is such a commitment. Sure. Okay. We got the efficient upgrade. We're gonna take Hollywood. And if we get the engineering genius, which we might, then we can finish this pretty easily. Even if we don't, then this is like 3 turns of production. And there is still 3 reserves and another patriotism if we need a quick Air Force fix. Although Bass doesn't have the stones to build army, Octavian doesn't have the technology to build an army, so this is not much of a concern. Okay, I guess that's the best for now. This might be a low point game, so 18 points from Hollywood is decent. This does put us at a lot of points per turn, and there's a few more turns until the game is over. We still have decent science. We have the revolutionary idea, so I think we're good in science. Plus, there's another revolutionary idea in the deck. For leaders, if we get Marlene, fine. If we don't, that's also okay. She doesn't really improve our situation right now. We don't need the happy faces. And her point gain is equivalent to Bach. We can always snatch Charlie Chaplin down the line. Or Marie Curie for 3 military and 3 points. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm really curious to see what people on YouTube have to say about this. Yep, none of the cards we need are showing up. I guess we can take Albert Einstein. I mean, he's going to give us 3 points a turn, while Bach is giving us 5. And oh, we might be able to get some points from Nobel. Okay, let's see.